You always try to catch a pigeon. Hmm? And that's a butterfly. You can't catch them, royalty. Okay. Let's see if you can catch him. Catch him now? My granddaughter always try to catch a bird. Catch him if you can. So, hey, fastest thing this, you know, not even bolt no faster than a girl, you know. I know that girl I got turn a track star, my granddaughter, you know. She run pan her 2 point, she walk pan her 2 point. Everything she do, she fit, she fully active, daddy. Yeah, my granddaughter fit. Run at this. Watch her, watch her, watch her. Magli, she a magli and a post for me, you know. Royalty. Wait till she start run, when we know that she fast. She not ready yet. This a picnic run and a joke. You see it? Pigeon all a drink water, you know, daddy. When they start run, man, fast, man. Bullet. You can't catch her. You can't catch him. Me and you on a pigeon that today. Georgia, just a youth, don't. Yeah, my granddaughter this year. Me not have to put my camera up on no one. No one can stop me from putting it on this. I film me this. Royalty to the world. Fast, you know. Quick, you know. Sprinter this, you know. Tell them already. Anyway, she see bird, them she run down bird, so that means she fast and catch them too. Sometimes she catch them, you know. Yeah. Yeah, you're the doctor one day. And when I saw she a move, you know, she a move like a veterans. Cause me a veteran, you know, I'm a veterans granddaughter this. Big up yourself. My veterans granddaughter, you hear? Royalty to the world.